Hi everyone. I'm sorry that I can't be there in Aberdeen. I'm actually in Aspen at the moment and 7 hours away from you time zone wise. Unfortunately a bit of a trek to get there, and I'm going to have to miss this one. But I thought it'd be nice to make this little video about our project, the Charter for Responsible Campaigning, and give you some background to what it is, and hopefully encourage some of you to join them as well. So this background. The previous project that this is based on was the Charter for Responsible Debate, which was meant to be a short and simple set of rules to help people in all walks of life to have more productive and less personal attack type debates. It was informed by some expertise on conflict resolution and achieved quite a large number of sign-ups from all areas, but including Scottish politicians. So at the spring plenary for YAS back in May, we were discussing the upcoming general election, which we thought at that point was going to be in the autumn, and thought, well, what could we do to encourage a more fact-led campaign? And this extended in the discussion into taking that Charter for Responsible Debate and twisting it into a new Charter for Responsible Campaigning that would be similar but distinct and more targeted on political campaigns. So this was to be launched with the RC policy team. We also thought about having a sort of live fact check of the campaign using the expertise that's present within YAS. What we didn't see coming was that the general election campaign would be declared about a week later, really not giving us enough time to do all the things we'd planned. So the position we ended up in those early weeks of the campaign is that we did draft an evolution of the Responsible Debate Charter. We ended up with 12 points under the headings of informed, respectful, inclusive and transparent campaigning. We have a Slack channel on the YAS Slack system, this Responsible Campaigning channel, where things are discussed and evolved. We have a draft webpage effectively ready to go, but currently mothballed. We discussed with the original CRD team and got some nice feedback, although they won't be involved in the project, but they've given us their input on it. But we decided on discussion with the RC policy team that we were nearly 2 weeks into the general election and it was a bit too late for us to get involved with something like this. So we're taking our time doing it properly and instead going to target the 2026 Holyrood elections as the first real test of this project. So I hope I've convinced you it's an interesting idea. It could be really impactful. So if you are interested, please get in touch. You can use the Slack channel, and I hope several of you will, and we'll hear from you soon. So thanks very much.